Hi there! Welcome to Nelly Learning. Today, we're going to show you how to set up screen recording using Loom. Let's begin. Head over to loom.com and sign up. Loom can then be downloaded on your desktop. Take note that Loom is available for both Mac and PC. Once you have downloaded and installed Loom, you can click the icon and choose whether you will record using screen cam, screen only, or cam only. Let's try screen only. Click Start Recording, and on the left panel, you can click the options for the recording session. You can also try the Draw option if you want to highlight or stress a point. When you're done recording, you can press the square or stop button. To download the video, you can go to loom.com and log into your account. Your recorded videos will be shown. Just click Download and your video will be saved as an MP4 file. Now, let's see the recorded video. That's it. That's how easy it is to record your screen and save it using Loom. Join us again next time for more tips and tricks here at Nelly Learning. Always remember that the best time to learn is now. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Click the subscribe button to get